Hello, my name is Kevin McCaslin, founder of Yinzer Fusion. Yinzer Fusion combines international flavors with Pittsburgh food traditions through a unique griddle-only operating model. From community events and corporate lunches to private catering and local partnerships, every menu item is prepared fresh to order on the griddle. Our menu is inspired by culinary traditions from around the world, including Japanese teriyaki, Korean bulgogi, Louisiana Creole flavors, and Cuban-inspired sandwiches. At the same time, we remain deeply connected with Western Pennsylvania roots through Pittsburgh favorites such as Isley's Ham Barbecue, made using my great-grandmother's barbecue recipe. Yinzer Fusion has grown through community events, business partnerships, and repeat customers throughout Western Pennsylvania. By combining global-inspired inspiration and local traditions, proprietary recipes, and strong supplier relationships, we are building a scalable food business that brings people and cultures together through food. Thank you for your consideration. Yinzer Fusion, internationally inspired food with a Pittsburgh twist.